Welcome back to Crazy Bill's Garage, and today I got for you, well, quality automotive products, Best Buy XL Synthetic Oil Filter. I know I brought it to you before, but I'm going to do it again. And this time I'll probably do it better than I did last time. Or worse. You never know with me. So there we are. Don't know why they call it Best Buy, but it is made by Quality Automotive Products. This would be the size you would use on a Honda Civic or a Honda vehicle. That's true. Honda Civic, Honda vehicle, but there it is. It's a nice weighty little. Wow. It's got that number there. You can see it. Turn the light on. Now you can see it. Is that upside down? Oh, my word. There you go. There we go. And this comes from Quality Automotive Products. Now we can get these here in our great old Canada. I don't know if you, our friends in the South, the U.S. there can get them, but we can get them here. And I'm pretty sure since it comes with a covering, it comes from a place not too many people know of called China. Am I pronouncing that right? China? China. There we go. I think I got it right. But let's give her a weight. And as we all know, everything good comes out of China because mostly everything comes out of China. That's pretty well it. Grams 242.6. Ooh. Now we're going to move her over to ounces. 7.800 ounces. That'll be the last time I use ounces, probably. But you never know. Nah, probably. Let's take a good look at it here. Well, let's take off this. That was stuck on there pretty good. Wow, that does feel like fresh rubber. Like that hasn't been sitting around long. That is very spongy and it's very nice. That does feel like rubber. You can see in there, it looks like we have a white anti-drainback valve. And, well, who knows? Silicone or not? What do you think? I don't have anything to do a burn test where I am, so don't ask for it, even though I know you want to. But we'll see. I don't think I have anything. I got a barbecue. Check it on the barbecue. Let's see what it'll do. But beautiful inside so far. I know we haven't looked inside, of course, but let me get her open. Well, there we go. That took longer than I thought it would. Really, it did. Got to be a thicker canister on there. You know, I could just look back on my other videos. I never look back on videos. I don't watch anybody else's videos. I don't want ideas from them. I try to keep it all me, true to me, and what I do. So let's take a look here. Here we go. There's the inside. Very nice make. We got some, what do you call those? Those are those, I don't know. It's not welded. It can't be. Oh, it is. Oh, yeah, right. It is welded. It welds in this bottom piece here. So that is welded in with the, right now I can't think of the word, but it'll come to me one day. 3, 4, there's 8 inlet holes. Very nice. And yes, since it is a Honda type filter, metric 20. Oh, how many threads do we have? Almost dropped that. 4 threads. Very nice. Oh, look at that. Okay. I would say that's pretty good. That's not bad. How's that rolled edge? Oh, that is a nice rolled edge. It doesn't stick out. Yeah, that is a definite nice rolled edge. Here we are. Is it white silicone or isn't it? Oh, look, it can look like it. Is it white silicone? Okay, yeah, I'm a little silly. I was out in the sun all afternoon and, you know, it's just that way. I think I have a cat in the living room now who wants to throw up, and that's fine. Go ahead. And we got a real spring. Springy. And here we go. Let's check out this canister. And there we go. Off of the, so 0.50 millimeters. Pretty standard for these more elite. We'll call it more elite filters. This is probably better than your mid grade, better than your low grade. And ooh, look at that filtration. Ooh, synthetic. I'm guessing. Oh, there we go. Okay, let's find the right punching tool here. And let's not get my hand in the way. So there we go. Oh, that comes back nice. You know, the thing with this one, why it probably seals really good, you can feel it's rubber. It's not like a hard plastic, so the rubber probably seals very nice. Wherever this is made in China, which I could probably look up, but you know what? That would probably. Oh, this is so nice around too. I'm not gonna look it up. I probably will later, but I know commenters will tell me, and I'm so happy for you guys. Thanks a lot for watching my videos. Okay, let's count the pleats. Well, you guys know I got 44 pleats out of that. That is nice filtration. I don't know, will it be all the way through nice? Or is it going to have a second layer that is just, I don't know, cellulose or something? I hope not. I can't remember, but it looks nice on the outside, doesn't it? Well, time to take off the filtration. At least I'm pretty sure it is. I think I did everything so far up to where I should. I'm going to take off the steel strip. Let's see if I can get that off without damaging anything. Ah! And I hit the camera. That's fine, that's fine. Let's move the camera back. There we go. I got that off. Now, let's get ready to cut off that filtration. So, filtration ready to come off with super knife. It'll do its job. It always does. Oh. This does feel interesting to cut through. This feels not like cellulose. So there you go. Not like cellulose. Feels pretty good. This filter only cost me like $11 Canadian. That's crazy. You'd think $11 or $12. One of those. You'd think it would be more, wouldn't you? Ooh, this is nice all the way through. That is very light. There we go with the punched hole centered tube. I like how shiny everything is. You know, it's just fancy. Fancy stuff. Look at that. I hold it this way and you can definitely see through the punch tubes. Can't always say that with louvers, but I respect louvers more than I used to. Definitely. And let us check to see how much this filtration weighs. Oh, cardboard piece. We can get rid of you now. Go over there. 8.9 grams. That is not a lot of weight there. Considering, well, we know how much cellulose usually weighs. It's pretty heavy. So let's see. 9.9, 9.0, 9.10 millimeters thickness for how thick, how long the pleat actually is going. You know what I mean, don't you? Boy, I'm getting tongue twisted on this one. Oh, right. Let us measure the. Like I said, I was outside all afternoon working in the yard, so I'm a bit out of it a little bit. 0.70 millimeters for how thick the pleat really is. You know what I mean there too. Words just ain't coming to me naturally today. Oh well, that's why I do editing, and then I can fix stuff. Um, I gotta get a length. Yeah, let me get a length on this and a width. So what do we got? We have, well, 33 and a half inches long, 85 centimeters, which is 33 and a half inches about, 2 inches wide by 5 centimeters. So it's not a ton of it there, but we do have this nice filtration, which I think I should look at it through the microscope just so we can check it out and to find out that it's hard to microscope these lighter colored filtration media. So there we go. Got some sort of a picture. I had to go out pretty far for this. That's a piece of something in there, obviously. And yeah, it is always hard doing these lighter color ones. I have the light turned way down. Turn the light off here. Nope, that doesn't help. Got to turn the light back on. So let me see if I can get it slightly better. No, that did not get better, and I couldn't get another good picture of it through the microscope. Those light color ones are just hard to get focused in on. But leave me a comment. What do you think of this filter? Um, don't know if you can get them, though, like I said, in the United States. If you can, then that's good, because it's a very nice filter we can get here in Canada. And actually, we can get it through Fat Guy's Automotive on Nairn Avenue in Winnipeg. So I'm giving them a little bit of a, I guess, what do you call that? You call that a shout out. And you know what? They didn't say to do it or anything. They don't even know I make videos. So, but saying that's where you can get these filters if you're in Winnipeg or close to Winnipeg. Fat Guys Automotive on there have these. They might have, they don't have all the makes, but they might have yours. But thanks for watching. Please leave a comment, and I hope you enjoyed this episode of this great filter that we can actually get here, and it's very not expensive. So thanks for watching.